Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to reset Amazon Fire Stick remote. Let's go. Remove the batteries from the remote control. Disconnect the Fire Stick from the power supply and connect the Fire Stick to the power supply. Install the batteries in the remote control. Hold down the home button. Release when the remote control flashes blue. Done. That's it. Now we know how to reset Amazon Fire Stick remote. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.